Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. As we gracefully move past 50, keeping our minds sharp and our memories crystal clear becomes a top priority. It's not just about living longer, but living better, right? The great news is that what we eat plays a huge role in our brain health. Today we're diving into some delicious superfoods that can help boost your memory and brain power. Think of it as a tasty way to invest in your future self. So, what are these magical brain foods? First up, let's talk about blueberries. These tiny berries are absolute powerhouses. They are packed with antioxidants that can protect our brains from damage and have been shown to improve communication between brain cells. Adding a handful to your morning oatmeal, yogurt, or even just snacking on them is a simple and delicious way to support your cognitive function. Some studies even link them to delaying short-term memory loss. Next on our list are walnuts. You might have noticed they even look a little like a brain. Coincidence? Maybe not. Walnuts are loaded with a type of omega-3 fatty acid called ALA, which is crucial for brain health. These healthy fats, along with other compounds in walnuts, fight inflammation and oxidative stress, two culprits that contribute to cognitive decline. Just a small handful a day can make a real difference. They're perfect as a snack or tossed into a salad for some extra crunch and brain-boosting power. Let's spice things up with turmeric. This golden spice, a staple in curry, contains an active compound called curcumin. Curcumin is a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. It can cross the blood-brain barrier, meaning it can directly enter the brain and benefit the cells. It's been shown to help clear amyloid plaques, a hallmark of Alzheimer's, and boost levels of a brain growth hormone. Try adding a little turmeric to your scrambled eggs, soups, or even a golden milk latte for a warm, comforting brain boost. Finally, we can't talk about brain health without highlighting omega-rich foods, especially fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines. Our brains are made up of about 60% fat, and much of that is the omega-3 fatty acid, DHA. Our bodies can't make it efficiently, so we need to get it from our diet. Eating fish a couple of times a week helps build and repair brain cells and is essential for learning and memory. If you're not a fan of fish, you can also look into high-quality fish oil supplements, but always chat with your doctor first. Incorporating these fantastic foods into your diet is a natural, proactive step towards protecting your brain for years to come. It's all about making smart, simple choices every day. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tips on living your best, healthiest life. See you in the next video.